Chapter 5: Spreadsheets and Introduction. Objective. Introduction. Features of Excel. Starting Excel 2019. Components of an Excel window. Moving between cells. Entering data in worksheet. Types of data. Perform calculation in Excel. Enter simple formula. Selecting cells, rows, columns, worksheet. Change cell contents. Undo and redo. Inserting cells, rows and columns. Deleting cells, rows and columns. Moving and copying data. Using autofill. Saving a workbook. Introduction. Microsoft Excel, or simply MS Excel, is a spreadsheet program which is developed and distributed by Microsoft, and it is a part of Microsoft Office Suite. Each software of Microsoft Office Suite is designed for a specific purpose. MS Word is used to create, edit, format, and print the documents. MS PowerPoint is used to create eye-catching and professional presentations. In the same way, MS Excel is used to organize and analyze the data which is stored in a tabular form. It also allows its users to perform basic and complex calculations, create pivot tables, use graphic tools, and create macros. An Excel sheet, which is made up of cells, is also called a spreadsheet. A cell is an intersection of a row and a column. It is used to store the data in it. A spreadsheet is also called a worksheet. A workbook contains various worksheets in it. It is just like a math book having various pages in it. Excel provides various tools and features to make our work easier and save our time. Factoid. Microsoft Corporation is an American multinational technology company which develops, manufactures, licenses, supports, and sells computer software, consumer electronics, personal computers, and related services. Starting Excel 2019. To open MS Excel 2019 application, follow the steps given below. Click on the Start button. Select the Excel option. An Excel window opens. Select the blank workbook thumbnail. A new workbook opens with a name Book 1. Tech tip. You can open an Excel file by clicking on Start. From right pane, click on Excel. Entering data in worksheet. Worksheet is a grid-like area which consists of various cells. These cells are used to type data in it. You can enter different types of data in it, like alphabets, numbers, special characters, date, time, formulas, etc. Data is always entered in an active cell. To enter data in a worksheet, follow the given steps. Open a new workbook. Click in the cell A1 and drag the mouse to cell F2 to select all the cells in between. Now click on Home tab, go to the Alignment group and select Merge and Center option. All the selected cells will be merged to a single cell. Click in cell A3 and type the text Customer ID. Press Tab key from the keyboard to move to the next cell, B3, and type the text Customer Name. In the same way, type Father's name in cell C3, phone number in cell D3, bill in E3, and status in F3. Click in cell A4 and type the data. Use down arrow key to fill the customer IDs of all the customers. In the same way, you can type the data for all the customers as shown here. Types of data. In Microsoft Excel, data can be classified into several types, each designed to handle different kinds of information. Here are the main types of data in Excel. Type of data. Description: numbers numeric data can be entered in a worksheet by pressing numeric keys from the keyboard. It includes the numbers from 0 to 9. Text: text information can be entered in a worksheet like alphabets and numbers having blank spaces in between. Special characters: you can enter special characters which include period, decimal point, asterisk, ampersand, exponential, percentage, minus sign, underscore, etc. Type of data. Description: date time. Date and time can be entered in the worksheet cells in various ways, such as April 12, 2018, or 4-Dic 2018, or 4-Dic, or December 4th, 2018, or 12:45, or 4 hours, 25 minutes, and 46 seconds. Formulas. Formulas are used for calculating data stored in cells. You can enter the formulas by entering the equal to sign first. Then comes the numbers, cell range or cell address, arithmetic operators, and parentheses. Perform calculation in Excel. Here's a simple guide to perform basic calculations in MS Excel. Let's use an example to make it easy to understand. Example: suppose a student has scores in different subjects and we want to calculate the total marks. 1. Enter the data. In A1, type subject. In B1, type marks. Enter the subjects in A2 to A6 as shown. Enter the marks for each subject in B2 to B6. 2. Calculating total marks. Click on B7, where you want the total marks to appear. Type equal sign SUM B2 B6 and press Enter. Excel will add up the marks from B2 to B6 and show the total in B7. Enter simple formula. A formula is a symbolic expression with the help of which various calculations can be performed on the data stored in cells. Data contained in a cell is called cell value. Excel provides multiple arithmetic operations which can be applied on cell values to calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. To write a formula, type equal to sign followed by cell addresses and operators. You can also enclose the formula in parentheses. Tech tip: each formula begins with equal to sign. Types of formulas. Formulas are of two types. Basic formula. A formula which uses only one type of operator is called basic formula. This operator can be plus or minus or asterisk or slash. Example: F2 asterisk G2 asterisk. Compound formula. A formula which uses more than one type of operators is called compound formula. These operators can be plus, minus, asterisk, slash, or all together. Example: S2 plus F2 asterisk G2 plus H2. For example, to calculate the total bill amount of all the customers, you can use the formula by applying arithmetic addition operation. Click in cell A11 and type total bill amount. Click in cell E11 and type the formula as shown in the figure. Press Enter key and you will get the result in cell E11. Selecting cells, rows, columns worksheet. Selecting a cell. 1. Move the mouse pointer over the cell and press the left mouse button once. 2. A thick border line appears on the cell which indicates that it is selected. Selecting a row. 1. Move the pointer over the row in order to get the row selected. 2. Press the left mouse button once. Selecting a column. 1. Move the mouse pointer on the column heading of the column to be selected. 2. Click once and the entire column will get highlighted. Selecting a worksheet. 1. Click on a button at the extreme left of the column heading. 2. All the cells in a worksheet will be highlighted. Select adjacent rows or columns. 1. Click on the cell from where the selection begins. 2. Now press Shift key and click on the last row column and you will see that all the rows columns in between will be selected. Selecting non-adjacent rows and columns. 1. Click on the first row column, press Ctrl key on the keyboard and keep holding it. 2. Click on the row column heading of the row column that you wish to select. Change cell contents. Replacing cell contents. Open an Excel sheet and type the contents as shown in the figure. Click on the cell D4 and it will get highlighted. Now type the new value from the keyboard, say 68,000. The old value 65,000 will be replaced with new value 68,000. Using Edit mode, double-click on the cell D4. A cursor appears within the cell. You will see that the cell is converted into an edit mode, which is indicated by Edit word, which appears on the bottom left side of the window. You can remove the old contents and type the new contents in a cell. Press Enter key from the keyboard. Enter option. The edit mode will be changed to Ready mode. Using Formula bar, select the cell D4. Click in the Formula bar. Remove the previous contents and type the new contents. Press Enter option in the Formula bar or Enter key from the keyboard. Undo and redo. Undo option is used to cancel the changes you last made and replace it with the previous data. It is used to reverse the action of the last command. Redo is used to reverse the action of undo command. If you have made some changes in the worksheet and wants to cancel the changes and retrieve the previous data, go to Quick Access toolbar. Select Undo option. You will see that the changed contents are replaced with previous contents. If you want to reverse the action of the undo command and want the changed contents back, go to Quick Access toolbar and select Redo option. Example: suppose the content in the last column is deleted accidentally. To get back the data, we use Undo option. Inserting cells, rows, and columns. Inserting a cell. A cell is an intersection of rows and columns. You can insert a new cell in a worksheet as well as you can also delete an unwanted cell from the worksheet. To insert new cells in a worksheet, select the cell and click on the Home tab. Go to Cells group and click on the drop-down arrow of Insert option. Click on Insert Cells option from the list and Insert dialog box options. Click on Shift Cells right or Shift Cells down radio button in order to make space for the new cell. Click on the OK button. Inserting a row or column. To insert row or column in a worksheet, select the row or column where a new row or column is to be inserted. On the Home tab, click on the Insert option from the Cells group. A drop-down list appears. click either on the Insert Sheet Rows option to insert a new row or Insert Sheet Columns option to insert a new column. Deleting cells, rows, and columns. Deleting a cell. As you can insert the cells in many ways, Excel offers many ways to delete the cells. To delete cells in a worksheet, click on Home tab. Go to Cells group and click on the drop-down arrow of the Delete option. A drop-down list will appear. Select the Delete Cells option from the list. A Delete dialog box appears on the screen. Click on Shift Cells Left or Shift Cells Up radio button in order to cover the space of deleted cell. Click on the OK button. Tech tip. Another way to delete a cell is to right-click on a cell and press the Delete option. From Delete dialog box, select Shift Cells Left or Shift Cells Up option and press on the OK button. Deleting a row or column. To delete a row or column, follow the steps. Select the rows or columns from which you want to delete. Click on Delete button from the Cells group on the Home tab. A drop-down list appears. Click either on Delete Sheet Rows or Delete Sheet Columns option. You will see that a row or column is deleted automatically from the worksheet. Clear cell content. You can clear the contents of a cell and remove undesired contents. To clear cell contents in a worksheet, select the cell that you want to delete. Click on Clear button from Editing group on the Home tab. Click on Clear Contents option from the drop-down list or press the Delete key to clear the cell content. Moving or copying data. You can also move or copy the data in a worksheet. To move the data, use Cut and Paste options, and to copy the data, use Copy and Paste option. Select the cell range from A3 to D3. Click on Home tab. Go to Clipboard group and select Cut option if you want to move the data or Copy option if you want to copy the data. You will see dashed lines appearing in the selected cells. Now click on the cell where you want to paste the cut or copied data, say cell F3. Now go to Clipboard group and select Paste option, factoid. Press Ctrl plus X to cut. Press Ctrl plus C to copy. Press Ctrl plus Z to paste. Using autofill. Excel provides an autofill feature which is a very interesting and useful, in which you can create a row/column of data on the basis of the values in other cells. You just need to start typing the values, and this software will fill the data automatically in other cells. You just need to type 1 or 2 values in a cell and drag the mouse for the remaining values that will be filled automatically. Thus, it is found to be the easiest and quickest method to fill the data in the cells. There are 2 methods to use this feature. Method #1. Type 33 and 34 in cell B2 and B3 respectively. Now select both the cells using Shift key and move the mouse pointer to the lower right corner of the selected cells. The pointer shape will be changed to small plus sign. Click the left mouse button, hold it, and drag the mouse up to B10. All the remaining cells will automatically be filled with series as shown in the figure. method #2, type March in cell B3. Select the cells from B3 to B12. Now click on the Home tab. Go to Editing Group and select the drop-down arrow of Fill option. Click on the Series option from the list. A Series dialog box appears on the screen. You need to select Autofill Radio button under Type Group and click OK button. The selected cells will be automatically filled with the required values. Saving a workbook. Click on the File menu. From the drop-down list, select the Save As option. Select the Browse option. Specify the name of the file in the File Name text box. Click on the Save button. A quick review. MS Excel is a spreadsheet program which is developed and distributed by Microsoft. An Excel sheet is also called a spreadsheet and is made up of cells. Excel allows its users to organize the data in a tabular form in Excel sheets. When you click on a cell, it shows a thick border line around it, and its address is displayed in the cell address box. It is called an active cell. A cell address consists of a row number and a column number. A workbook is just like a simple notebook having various pages in it. You can enter different types of data in it, like alphabets, numbers, special characters, date formulas, etc. A formula is a symbolic expression using which calculations can be performed on the data stored in cells. Undo option is used to cancel the changes you made last and replace it with the previous data. Redo is used to reverse the action of undo command. A cell is an intersection of rows and columns. Move means to change the actual location of the worksheet by moving it to another place. Copy option is used to create a duplicate copy of the worksheet.